Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to check messages on Indeed. So first of all you have to go on Indeed, and here click on Indeed's official website's link, and once you click on it, then you will see this type of window on your screen. And simply you don't need to go here and there. You will see the message option over the screen. Just look at the top right corner on the screen. Here you will see a message option, and you can see the chat option as well. Just simply go down, and here you will see chat option. So for now I don't have, because my account is new, so I don't have any message here. If you receive any message, then you can check your messages by clicking these two options. Guys, this is the message option. Once you click on it, then you will reach to your inbox. And the second option is, once you click on the chat box, and here you will see all your chats. When you click on any chat, then the pop-up will appear, and then you will be able to see chat over the screen as your chat box. And if you want to go in your inbox by using your chat box, then you have to go in messages. Just